Today I'm in Corralejo. I'm with my little sister and I'm going to show you what it's like Corralejo under rain. So right now at the moment it's not raining, but it's been raining the last few days, so the weather is still good. Look, people in shirt, and so it's really nice, but the activity is really nice here around Corralejo. Even when it's raining, people are walking the streets. As you can see, people at the bar here. The Aberdeen is recently open. Here's the gas station. If you need it, there is a gas station inside the city town. Have a look. Tapas Vino Cerveza. This is a famous tapas bar here, so I recommend it to try the place. Looks really nice. Let me walk you throughout the town. I mean, weather is still good. It's like a good, I don't know, 17, 18 degrees, something like that. But it's a little bit colder. I will not recommend you to come in January. I've been living here for 3 years now, and I really don't recommend January. So if you can avoid this month, try to avoid it. I'm walking towards Music Square now. People in raincoat. That's so strange to see it here, because it's not something we are used to, but it can happen here. So, this is Music Square. During the evening, this is a crazy place. A lot of people gather here. You can have a drink. El Pescador, really famous place. La Placita as well, really famous place. I don't know so much thing about La Sorita here in front of me, but I suppose it's something nice. It's like a mix. There are some people with a cardi and denim jacket, and there are some people shirtless with a short. It's like contrast, big contrast. Chio Bernabé, you have to try it. This restaurant won Canarian Award prize for the tapas. And Calle de la Iglesia. Here you have many different bars and restaurants. Obviously, I'm doing this video around 11 in the morning, so everything is opening right now. Let's check here. See, there are some bars. The 13 is really nice. I like it because the menu is not so large, so there is a fewer choice. But I mean, they do a good preparation of the things they have. Let's have a look at the ocean. This is the real Corralejo here. Discovering the real Corralejo after the rain. Still beautiful, isn't it? We are on the seafront. Here. Let's go this direction. Walking down in this direction, we reach the port, the harbor. Have a look. The Sotavento restaurant is one of the busiest I've seen today. Have a look. I love the place, the localization is really nice. The sun is coming out, it's really nice things. Let's have a walk, let's continue the walk. People are still enjoying. A little bit of music. El Anzuelo, very famous one as well. So, sun is coming out this way, but this way, as you can see, it's still really cloudy, really grey. Let's visit the little streets. I really like way more the pedestrian area of Corralejo. I mean, you can feel the Spanish vibes. It's really nice. Ah, look. El Rincón, this one, the name is, yes, El Rincón. This one is really famous among the Canadian people living here. I have a lot of friends coming here to eat meat, especially.
Alright, Fuerteventura rain, 5 minutes, come on. Bye.
Yeah, just in front of me there is the Blanco Cafe. I like this one because it's like a cocktail bar, but inside it looks like a cave. It's like carved inside the building. I don't know how to explain it. You have to visit it. You have to put it on your list to have a drink. This one, Blanco Cafe, very cocktail bar, interior garden, really nice inside, really nice. Really recommend this place. Look at this blue sky. How the weather is changing in only 5 minutes. And yeah, children are playing outside. It's still cloudy behind me, no? Maybe, I think. Yeah. But here, so in this direction will be La Oliva, El Cotillo. So I think it's really sunny over there. Look, there is more life coming. It's about 11:35, something like that. So people are starting to go out. So it's nice. It's still super windy, really, but I think that's kind of okay. You know, as usual. So amigos, I'm going to end the video right now, and hope you like it. Corralejo under the rain, or just after the rain, but you can see it's still really a lively place, so enjoy it.